Hello, Merry Christmas guys, and if you don't celebrate Christmas then Happy New Year, and if you don't celebrate New Year either then just hello to you. This is going to be a short episode today. I just wanted to give you guys update on the P0302 or misfire on cylinder 2 error message. If you have seen my previous video, hopefully you have seen where I was having a random misfire and I couldn't figure out what it was. I took my car to the mechanic, and based on the symptoms I described to him, he believed it was a bad lifter. Back then I thought it was a horrible news because I did my head bolts recently, so if you haven't seen that video I'm gonna post it, but I did my head bolts and my cams, my lifters appeared to be in a great shape. So I really did not want to open up the engine again and do the lifters. And here's why he thought it. And here's why he thought it was lifters, because I told him that I replaced the spark plugs. They were brand new. I told him that I swapped I changed the injectors. Most importantly, the injectors were brand new. My fuel tank and pump is brand new, that I got replaced by the dealer for free. I hope you have seen that video. If you haven't, I'm gonna drop a link in the description, and it's also gonna pop up on the screen. If you have a W211 chassis E-Class, you may qualify for a free gas tank and gas filter and gas sender unit replacement by the dealer. Anyhow, so I told him everything like was new as in regards to the fuel system. I also told him that I swapped the coil, so I put the coil from cylinder 2 on coil number 5 or something like that, and the error did not follow. The error still was on the same cylinder, which is the cylinder number 2. Okay, so that kind of like eliminates the possibility of a faulty coil, because if a coil is faulty, you swap it, technically the error should follow, but that wasn't the case. And the misfire issue was also like sporadic. It never happened when the car was cold, but it happened when the car was warm. Thanks so much to the MB World forum members. So one guy over there told to me that he had the exact same symptoms, and the coil replacement solved the issue for him. It didn't make any sense because I swapped the coils, but I decided to give it a try, and I bought new coils, dropped them onto the car, and that's it. Voila, the issue is gone. So great news, and I just wanted to share my experience with you guys, just in case somebody has a similar problem. More interestingly, the guy told me that changing just one coil on the faulty cylinder didn't resolve his issue. He had to change all of them. So that's what I did. I changed all of them. I don't know why it happens. Like technically, if the one on the cylinder 2 is broken and you put a new coil, that should solve the problem, but the guy told me that it didn't help him. Anyway, if you have inconsistent, sporadic misfire on any of the cylinders, cylinder 2, cylinder 5, it doesn't matter, then and you've already replaced your plugs, you've replaced your injectors, then the coil is a possibility. Make sure you check that out. And when it comes to coils, I thought I would buy the OEM ones. Then when I pulled the OEM coil, I saw on the top of it said AMG, but on the side of it actually said Delphi. So the OEM coils in W211 E63 are Delphi. I think you guys don't need to waste your money on the OEM coils, because like I said, the OEM, even like if you look on the side of it, it says Delphi. So Delphi is the manufacturer. So I bought Delphi and saved tons of money. The boot of the coil can be replaced separately. So you can buy just the boot, which is like $8 a piece or something. The whole coil is like 25 or something, the Delphi brand. OEM is like 75 or something. Like it's just rebranded Delphi, really. It's hard to say what fails when a coil fails, whether that's the coil in like the head or it's the boot. I don't know. I didn't want to take a chance and buy just the boot. But since Mercedes sells just the boot separately, I'm assuming that the boot is what fails most of the time, and that's why they sell it separately. But who knows? I can't tell. And replacing the boot is really easy. You take the coil, you pull the old boot out, and then you take the new one and put it on. That's as easy as it. Okay, if you guys have been watching my videos from the beginning, I've been doing free giveaways along the way. I think last time I did a giveaway was when I had like 100 subscribers or 300 subscribers, I don't remember, and I promised to do more giveaways along the way as the subscriber base grew. And here I am. I'm like almost at 500 subscribers at the moment, 491 as of today. So we are 9 subscribers away to hitting 500. And as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do another giveaway. I'll have awesome gifts. I'm not gonna tell you what all the gifts are gonna be just yet, but I'm just gonna tell you that one of them is going to be a dual dash cam that films both like the front and the rear of the car. Last time I did it and I had it as a gift, it was highly desired. Many of you reached out and said that they wanted the dash cam. So that's definitely going to be one of the prizes. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this content so that we reach 500 subscribers soon and we can hold that giveaway. And when I reach 1,000 subscribers, there's going to be even much more more exciting giveaways with many exciting gifts. I'm at the car wash. I'm driving my car all year round. Winter, summer, doesn't matter. But after it snows, like when it snows in winter time, I run my car through car wash very often just to make sure that there is no salt sitting on the car for too long. That's how I managed to keep it in a great shape. So yeah, the whole purpose of this video was meant to be just a short video to give you an update on the misfire and how I resolved it. Also announce that the giveaway is coming up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everything that you do, meaning appreciate you watching the content, liking, sharing, commenting. That all is really inspiring, and I wish you and your family happy holidays. Thank you, and see you in the future episodes.